What's the meaning of binder? Binder. Binder.
Binder. Binder. The term binder can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, a binder refers to a material that holds something together. For example, a binder can refer to an adhesive that is used to bind pages of a book or documents together. In the context of construction, a binder can refer to a substance that is used to hold particles of building materials such as sand and gravel together. Binders can also be used in the manufacturing of various products like paints, coatings, and adhesives. In general, a binder serves as a bonding agent that holds different materials together to create a cohesive and functional product.